Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today I'm gonna let the dice decide what I paint and with what palette. So, let me show you what we're gonna be rolling for. I have all these like pre-printed designs that are like an artist loft kit. They're like a watercolor kit. I have more than 20 of them, but I took out a couple so I could use the 20-sided die. Because the next highest numbered die I have is 100. And I don't have that many, thank God. And we're also going to be rolling for which watercolor palette I'm going to use. I have my Artistro 160 set, my Derwent Inktense watercolors, my Vivid watercolors. It's like paper, you know what it is, right? And we have the watercolor set that came with the actual pre-printed designs by Artist Loft. So let's first roll for the image we're going to be painting here. So here is my 20-sided. Why is there glue on my nail? What? So the number is whatever order they're sitting in here. I did shuffle them a little bit so the themes aren't all together or anything to make it more extra random. I have this thingy. It's not good quality. As you can see, it's pulling away from itself here, but it will do. So my dice doesn't fly across the desk like it did in all the takes I cut out. All right, ready? Ready first is a design. And number 10? Yeah, 10. What would it be? Number 1? Geez. It's a 10. You can, hold on, let me hold it right. Yep, I was holding it right. I don't know why I thought I wasn't. God, it's so shiny. So we got 10. I just set it back down on 8. So which is 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the pineapple. Oh boy. And I guess we gotta number these ones. So I'll just set them in the order that I want them to be. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need our 4-sided triangle here, which looks like this. The number that's up top is the number it is, in case you're unaware. All right, ready? Ready? We ready? Okay, ready? Honestly, I hope I don't get the Artist Loft one. That came with the kit, and I just don't want it to be basically me just doing the kit. Right, ready? Well, I guess we're basically just doing the kit because it's a 3. Oi. Well, the dice have spoken, so let's get set up to paint. So I showed you guys a nice clean palette of the Artist Loft watercolor cakes here, but this is the one I'm actually going to use. I just have this thing where I have to use up, you know, the one I started first. Okay, I might also be trying out my new quills. I just got them on Amazon because my other quill I had fell apart. It was really cool of it. Looking at you, Royal and Langhorn, or Lang Nickel, or what are you called? Okay, how to not make this boring. It's the tough part, isn't it? My answer to that is always going to be like rainbow, but I don't actually know if these colors are going to be good together, but we can try. I probably shouldn't do this, but here we are. It's gonna curl up, isn't it? I didn't even tape it down or nothing. What is wrong for me? This brush wasn't actually clean. I am the best at this. What if we didn't do like a rainbow line, but like rainbow tie-dye, perhaps? Oh, here we go. Into green. Cannot wait. Ugh. Feel into green is like the worst thing to ever happen. Well, that green's not very green, is it? What? Which one of these is just like... Why does it look like there's 10 blues here? What color is this? It's like a bluish green. Okay, that's probably safe. Probably a safe route to take. Just a little bit. Don't want too much. Don't want the purple to seem like it doesn't have any space here. That blue is not very bright, is it? That blue gonna turn into purple though? This one. I hate when I can't tell what color the cakes are. It's so bright now. Water it down, quick! And then I have like one purple. Let's have 5 blues, but 1 purple. Okay, I'm gonna add a few more blotches here to make it more melty. Or blotchy? I don't know. Don't know what I'm looking for here. I feel like this blue like overtook half of the pineapple here. Alright, now we wait for this to dry and we gotta do something about all that stuff being outside the lines. Trying to decide on like what I could do for this. I've used like every color but brown and black, and I feel like brown will just look muddy. So I guess black it is. Okay, because I didn't do any shading or anything, I think this does need some outlines here, so I'm gonna go in with a Posca. That's not cheating, right? Well, I don't care, I'm doing it anyways. Alright, so I didn't actually end up going over every single line that was there because I realized very quickly how many detail lines there were, and I was just like, no. But I think it turned out pretty decent. So let's do the reveal. Boop! What do you think? I don't like that I didn't vary the line thickness on purpose. That's just the nature of these Poscas. You either have to go back over it, or it's the same thickness. I prefer little brush ends, but I was afraid that my liners would not go over the watercolor on this very textured paper. Hard to see the texture, but you can kind of see it there on the edge. But I think I did pretty well for what I was given, considering I was basically given the kit it came in. So I guess I did pretty average, actually. Let me know if you want me to do something like this again. I do have other mediums to choose from. It's just watercolor made the most sense because this is watercolor paper. I do have gouache, but I have not a whole lot of gouache. I think I only have like 2 sets. I do have a coin though. I could do a coin flip instead. But that is going to be it for me today. If you guys want to check out another time I rolled the dice for my artwork, you could tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you could tap the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of commenting, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!